Hi there, my name is Anton Crano. I'm the managing director of Cracom and have been involved with e-filing and EasyFile since 2002. And I'm honored to be presenting webinars for the tax faculty. I'm presenting a webinar on EasyFile, and this webinar will be covering the basics of EasyFile, like the installation of EasyFile, EasyFile functionality, EasyFile do's and don'ts, EasyFile and e-filing interconnectivity. I strive to make my webinars as interactive and as fun as possible with a question and answer session after the webinar. Please note that I might not be able to resolve all your technical issues as there's no one size fits all answer, and it is really also generic to your situation. You will, however, be able to engage with me via email after the session and able to address your particular issue. I will try my best to show you that EasyFile is easy and is not the thing that goes bump in the night. So join me for the webinar for some tips, hints, and a bit of fun. Looking forward to seeing you all there.